So for this next activity, we will be doing the flower lab. And the purpose of this lab is to see how water is absorbed in plants and specifically in flowers. So we'll look at the flower structure first. So the parts of a flower include the sepal, the pedicel, the bracts, the pistil, which includes the stigma, the style, the ovary, the filament, and the anther, which makes up the stamen. And together the stamen and the pistil make up the reproductive organs of the flower. So we're going to be seeing the water transport through the stem, through the veins, all the way up to the petals of the flower. So first we're going to need a vase, and then we're going to need a flower, preferably a lighter color flower like the white one here. Then we're also going to need a source of water for the flower. We're also going to need food coloring, any color is fine, and then a stirring utensil like the spoon here. And lastly, some sunlight. So to start off, you're going to want to fill the vase with some water, like so. And after you've filled it up with water, you're going to want to take some drops of food coloring and pour it into the vase, and take the spoon and stir the water so the mixture is the same throughout. And after you've stirred the mixture, you want to take a flower with a long stem so it fits inside the vase as so, and put it in the sunlight so it can soak up the water. The rest of the flowers are too short, so they won't work for this experiment. So as you can see, the flower is sitting in the sun, and throughout the day it will be pulling in water through its veins and through its petals. So ideally, if you put half of your flower in red food coloring water and the other half in regular water, your flower should look something like this, with half of it being pink from the red food coloring water and the other half being its regular color white. So let's see how mine turned out. Mine turned out pretty successful. So you can see from my flower that the petals have turned a light pink and the tips have turned red because the red food coloring has traveled through the veins of my flower. We saw how water transports to different parts of the flower to keep it hydrated. So that ends our experiment for today. Thank you so much for watching, and have fun coloring your own flowers.